How to capture Stdout output from a Python function call. I'm using a Python library that does something to an object and changes it. While doing so, it prints some statistics to Stdout, and I'd like to get a grip on this information. The proper solution would be to change do_something to return the relevant information. But it will be a while before the devs of do_something get to this issue. As a workaround, I thought about passing whatever do_something writes to Stdout. How can I capture Stdout output between 2 points in the code? Example.
Try this context manager. Usage. Output is now a list containing the lines printed by the function call. Advanced usage. What may not be obvious is that this can be done more than once and the results concatenated. Output. Update. They added redirect_Stdout to context_lib in Python 3.4, along with redirect_str. So you could use io.stringo with that to achieve a similar result, though capturing being a list as well as a context manager is arguably more convenient.
In Python is greater than or equal to 3.4, context_lib contains a redirect_Stdout context manager. It can be used to answer your question like so. From the docs. Context manager for temporarily redirecting sys.stdout to another file. A file like object. This tool adds flexibility to existing functions or classes whose output is hardwired to Stdout. For example, the output of help normally is sent to sys.stdout. Yotson capture that output in a string by redirecting the output to anio.stringo object. To send the output of help to a file on disk, redirect the output to a regular file. To send the output of help to sys.str. Note that the global side effect on sys.stdout means that this context manager is not suitable for use in library code and most threaded applications. It also has no effect on the output of subprocesses. However, it is still a useful approach for many utility scripts. This context manager is reentrant.
Here is an async solution using file pipes. Example usage.
Based on kindall and for Verwinter's answer, I create redirect_Stdout function for Python 3.4.
If you want to support the channel,